Hey everyone, it's Succulents Box. With Valentine's Day coming up, we're all scrambling to find that perfect gift for our special someone. So I'd like to share 2 super cute, very easy crafts for you to make for that plant parent in your life. First, we've got this adorable succulent boutonniere. It's a fantastic accessory for weddings, prom dates, or any special occasion really. For this project, you'll need wire cutters, garden or florist wire, twine or floral tape, some succulents of your choice, and a hot glue gun or super glue. To begin, we're going to need to make a stem for our succulents. Taking the succulent you'll use as your centerpiece for the boutonniere, make a cutting that leaves as much of the stem as possible. Wrap your wire around the stem and extend it further to build an armature for the boutonniere. Repeat this step with the other succulents or flowers you plan on adding. Once you have your armature, arrange your succulents into a tiny bouquet that makes up your boutonniere. At this point, you should be wrapping your stems with floral tape and twine. When you wrap, move downward so the twine is fastened as far away from the succulents as possible. Most florists hide their stems using floral tape, which you can do here by simply wrapping the tape around your armature wire. But if you're going for a more earthy look, I like to wrap twine around the floral tape to add extra texture. Then you can secure your twine with hot glue to prevent it from slipping. Once your glue's dry, you're done. Next up, I've got a heart-shaped organic wreath that looks absolutely perfect for welcoming in springtime. For this project, you'll need organic grapevines, florist wire, Spanish moss or reindeer moss, a selection of succulents, a screwdriver or chopstick, and needle nose pliers. Now it's time to prepare your wreath for decoration. Let's plan out where we want to put our succulents. Using a chopstick or screwdriver, pry open some space, tuck in the succulent's roots into. When you place your succulents, make sure you tuck the roots in completely and work slowly to avoid damaging the leaves and roots. Place the succulents however you'd like them on the wreath. You can use as many or as little as you want, and feel free to add any extra accessories to your wreath, like dried flowers or faux grasses and berries. Before you hang your wreath, make sure to give your succulents plenty of time to take root. Avoid hanging your wreath for about a week. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more from us, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment to us below and let us know what our next craft should be.
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.